After a hatchback, 3 SUVs, and a van, Volkswagen is about to expand its lineup of dedicated electric cars with a sedan. Following in the tire tracks of the electric ID.4 SUV and ID.Bus minivan, Volkswagen will soon roll out the ID.7, a mid-size electric family 4-door similar in size to the Passat sedan. Based on the ID.Aero concept, the ID.7 is designed to be as aerodynamic as possible but, as we can see from the videos, also quite stylish. We expect it to offer both front and all-wheel drive electric powertrains when it goes on sale as a 2024 model. It's going to be quite large considering the latest concept has a generous wheelbase of 2.97 meters and an overall length of 4.94 meters. It's 1.86 meters wide and 1.53 meters tall, and given the electric-only MEB platform. Judging by both its fastback hatch and its wheelbase, which is more than 6 inches longer than that of the Passat, the interior and trunk of the Volkswagen ID.7 should offer class-leading space. The interior is advanced and tech-heavy, but aims to steer clear of the ergonomic missteps of the touch-sensitive controls that have characterized recent Volkswagen interiors. Moreover, the car is intelligent enough to automate some functions, like cooling or heating the interior automatically as the driver approaches the vehicle with the key fob, depending on the prevailing weather. And it will feature digitally controlled air vents that intelligently blows air only to occupied seats.